How to add Payoneer payment gateway to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So the first method is going to be by doing it officially using the Payoneer checkout app. So in order to set this up, you simply just want to go to the settings tab from the bottom left corner, and you simply just want to click on payments. Now this is going to be more for a more established store that you have, because they have a strict criteria for you to be able to actually sign up to this. It's not going to work with just your normal Payoneer account. So if you do actually have the requirements needed, you simply just want to, again, like I said, click on payments and then click on choose a provider. And then you should be able to find Payoneer. If not, you can just go in and search for it. And you should be able to find Payoneer checkout native cards. You simply click on that and click on install. Click on install one more time. And now you simply just want to click on manage account, and this is going to take you to this page where you want to basically just connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify store, and this is just going to be where it happens, and it's going to be now enabled for your Shopify store. Now, if you want to do things manually instead, and you don't really have the requirements for that, and you simply just want to use Payoneer, you can just go for manual payment methods, create one from here, and you can just go ahead and create custom payment method. You can just go ahead and name it Payoneer. So for additional details, I just said use this for Payoneer. We will send a payment request email after you check out. And for the instructions, it's going to be please send the total amount to our Payoneer email. And you obviously just want to add your email for your Payoneer account. And once the transfer is confirmed, we will ship your order, and you simply just want to activate this. So yeah, this is pretty much just two different ways you can go for activating Payoneer, the official way and also the manual way. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.